What is going on, you guys? I'm back with another video. As you can clearly see from the title, I am playing Red Dead Redemption 2. Now, I know this game is kind of old. I think it came out, was it 2018? Yeah, but anyways. Um, I do really... okay, I do really want to do a series on this game, and I've said that with a lot of different series on this channel. And I've never finished any game other than like Little Nightmares 2. That's it. But I genuinely want to do a series on this game. Partially because, or I have played this game. I don't know if I don't know if I said that, but I have played this game before, and I just think it's an absolutely amazing game. It's outstanding. The story is great, and the gameplay is just super fun. You know, and that's one of the reasons why I just really want to play this game again. And I thought, hey, if I'm gonna play this game again, I might as well do a series. Oh man, look at that, Red Dead Redemption 2. Yeah, I just thought it'd be super cool. I really do want to do a series on this, but who knows? Maybe halfway through, I'll give up on it. But I really hope I don't end up doing that because this is such a great game, and I wanna go through this experience again with you guys watching. So, if you don't know what this game is or what it's about,
Abigail says
maybe.
he's dying, Dutch.
Okay, well, I don't want to
We'll
talk too much because of the
have to
cutscene,
stop
so
someplace.
I'll
Okay.
continue in a bit.
Arthur's out looking. I sent him up ahead.
If we don't stop soon, we'll all be dying. This weather, it's May. I'm just hoping the law got as lost as we did.
There. Arthur! Any luck?
Oh
I
snap,
found a
Arthur!
place where we can get some shelter.
The
At
graphics
Davy
look amazing
Ranch,
too.
buddy. You know, an old mining town. Abandoned. It ain't far. Come on.
It just gets me excited for. I can't wait for GTA 6 to come out. When Grand Theft Auto 6 comes out, I want. You know what? Ah man, will it even come out? I don't know. I have a very strong feeling that it'll come out eventually, but I would like to do a series on that game too. But we'll see. Also, if you're not subscribed, please do so. It only takes like 2 seconds, real quick. And please leave a like and a comment on any other games you'd like me to play. Thank you very much. Alright, what's going on? Haven't played the game in a while, though. Just letting you know. But I do know the ending, though, but I haven't played in a while.
Bring him in here!
Who are we bringing? That place is a dump. Well, at least it's better than out there. Oh, that guy looks
Miss
like
Gaskell,
he's severely
Get that
hurt.
fire lit, quick. Miss Jones, bring in whatever blankets we have. Mr. Pearson, see what we've got in terms of food.
Davy's dead.
Dang.
Nothing more you could have done.
What are we
That's
gonna
tragic.
do? We need supplies.
Well, first of all,
I wonder why they put coins over their eyes. Is that like a thing? Like is that like
I
a
sent
tradition or
John
something?
and
Or not a
Mike
tradition,
scouting
like
out ahead.
I don't know.
Arthur and
I'm just curious as to
We're
why
right
some
out.
people do that.
See if we can find one of them. And this, just for a short bit. I don't see what
Nah,
other
Dutch,
choice we have.
that's not a good idea.
Listen,
Well, no, I wouldn't do it.
listen to me, all of you, for a moment. Now we've had, well, a bad couple of days. I loved Davy, Jenny, Sean, Mac. They may be okay. We don't know. But we lost some folks. Now, if I could throw myself in the ground in their stead, I'd do it gladly. But we are gonna ride out and we are gonna find some food. Everybody, we're safe now. There ain't nobody following us through a storm like this one. And by the time they get here, well, we're gonna be long gone. We've been through worse than this before. Mr. Pearson, Miss Grimshaw, I need you to turn this place into a camp. We may be here for a few days. Now, all of you, get yourselves warm. Stay strong. Stay with me. We ain't done yet. Come on, Arthur.
All right.
Yeah, let's go. We're gonna
Got
ride
some work
out.
to do.
He's pretty good at those
So,
inspirational
They both
speeches.
must have headed down the hill.
Sure. Hey, I ain't had time to ask. What really went down back there on that boat?
We missed you. That's what happened. Come on. Oh.
Hey, you need horses?
Oh, yeah. Hey, Mr. Smith, get yourself indoors. You need to rest that hand.
I'll live.
Get indoors, son.
Yeah, get indoors. We're gonna be right now.
We need
All
you
right,
strong.
let's go.
Okay.
Can I start running now, or going
All right.
faster?
Let's head out.
Hey,
All right, wait. I
sure
forgot where we were going
gonna
again.
Find out here, Dutch.
We have to try. Stay close. We'll do our best to stick to the trail.
This goddamn weather.
Been 2 days or more like this now. Oh, it has to blow over soon. Careful over this
Yeah,
bridge
well, let's
here.
hope. Oh, I didn't even know that was a bridge. Right bumper to slow down the horse.
Can't believe we lost
Alright,
Davy,
cool.
too.
Good
He's
to
the
know.
last one, Arthur. No more. We need to get those people warm and fed.
At least we don't need to worry about Pinkertons tailing us in this.
A couple more days, we'll be on the other side. You need to help me pick the others back up. You're the only one I can rely on to stay strong right now. Wait, is that someone coming towards us?
Oh, who's that? We're gonna shoot some people? No. Oh, cutscene? Alright, cool. Sure.
You up ahead.
I'm cool with that too.
Who's there?
Oh, snap.
Micah.
Oh, this guy's a douchebag.
Gentlemen,
I hate
Found
this guy.
anything?
I think so. Found a little homestead down that way.
Okay. Anyone home?
Sure. Place is blazing with light and noise. Sounded like a party.
Let's go see.
Follow me.
Oh, snap. We're going to a party. Let's
How's
go.
Davey doing?
He didn't make it. Nor did little Jenny.
That's
Dang,
too
how many
bad.
people died?
Davey was a real fighter. Both
That's
of them
tragic.
Calendar boys is, or was.
Yeah,
And Mac, Sean,
we don't know.
quite a business.
Dang, how did the horses even get through this? This must suck for them.
Ask him if he's seen John.
Hey, have you seen John, Micah?
Didn't see much of anything once this storm came in.
He hasn't seen him.
He'll be fine. Things always turn out right for that boy.
I hope Mac and Sean are still out there somewhere, too. Hey, Arthur, let me take the rear. You move up.
Okay, I'll move up. I'll be in front of you then. I'm gonna be in the very front. Screw all you guys.
Yep.
Nope. Excuse me. No, I'm getting in front. Oh, I can talk to him. Are you sure about this? Run to anyone else. I'll hit B.
You run into anybody else?
It's
kinda hard to control while you're doing that.
It's crazy enough to be out in this, Morgan.
Yeah, well, don't talk to me about
Isn't this a cliff right here? Oh, no, it's not.
So no, glad you're all right. I was worried, Micah. Look. Okay, let's keep it down now, gentlemen.
Oh, snap.
It's
There it is.
just up ahead.
Okay. Let's head
Oh,
down
excuse
there.
me. Alright, I'll meet you down there. Let's do. Oh, going the shortcut. Nice, I made it. Screw you guys. I was so sure I was gonna eat shit, but I guess I'm okay. Why is he stuck? Okay. I think I have to regroup with them over here anyways. Damn it. Come on, go past her. Oh, crap. Alright. Yeah, sorry about that. Follow Michael. Oh, shit. Is Excuse me. Oh, we're getting off our horses now. Alright, deuces.
Let's hitch up here.
Hitch? What are you talking about? Hitch. Our horses are back there. What you talking about, Dutch? You crazy. Ah, crap. Do I need my horse? Damn it. Oh my god, what the heck was that? That scared the crap out of me. What the? You saw that? They were coming at me like freaking crazy. Whoa, my horse is still back here though. That sucks. Excuse me. That was hilarious. I've never seen anything like that before. That scared the crap out of me. That was funny. That's hilarious. Okay, let's go mount my horse. Ugh, jeez, I hope more funny stuff like that happens. That was hilarious. Okay, give me the...
I wouldn't leave him untethered in this weather.
God damn it.
Come on, Arthur.
Just walk faster. How the hell do I do this? I forgot how to do this.
Come on now.
What are you
No.
waiting for? We're freezing here.
Okay, how do I mount my horse? Give me a second. Let me figure this out. Crap, I forgot how to do it. What button is it? Is it X? It's not Y. Not B. It's not A. It's not the bumpers. Not the triggers. Yeah, I'm tripping. It's one of the buttons. I'm not getting it. Is my game bugged out or something? It's X, right? Dude, my game is tripping. It should be telling me.
Get off of the damn horse.
Reverse the hitching. Oh, yeah, that's what I was doing. What the hell is that, man?
Someone's having fun in there.
Alright, now let's get out of here.
You two, get yourself out of sight. One lonely man is a lot less intimidating than three nasty-looking degenerates. Arthur, in that cattle shed on the left.
Nice,
Get down
bet.
behind that wagon.
I'll keep you covered, Dutch. Right here. Do I get a gun? Ah, shit. I need to get a drink. Soda break. That was good. Alright. Where's he at? Oh, he's right there.
Hello? Shut up, Billy. Excuse me. Hello? Oh, well, hello,
Oh, snap.
friend.
What you want?
I am very sorry to disturb you. My friends and I, well, we got into some trouble up the way. Lost in the storm.
What's this? Oh.
Ah, gentlemen.
We can't help you, mister.
I got folks
Arthur.
dying on the trail.
Arthur, we got a problem. Folks. There's a corpse right here.
Oh, shit.
Just
Arthur,
need some
there's a
cans
body
of food
in the
or
wagon.
something.
Shiz. Oh, nice.
Keep your eyes on Dutch.
Oh, Jesus. No, not
I
yet.
think you should go now, buddy.
Now, friend,
And 3,
I ain't
2.
asking for much.
First kill of the series. Let's go. Boom. Let's go. That was the first kill. Oh, I'm gonna die. Take cover. What? Cover me. Yeah, he's dead. Who else is it?
One up top the window.
Got him. Nice.
Bastards, you're dead now!
Who's over here? Boom. No. He's not getting away. I'm gonna get him. He's not gonna get anywhere. Nice.
Arthur, I said I'd handle this.
Didn't seem to be going too well.
Hey, let me loot their bodies now. Come on, where are they?
Boys here. Why?
Maybe same reason as us.
I'm gonna go inside now.
Go bring the horses closer to the house. Arthur, let's go search the cabin.
Nice. Alright, let's take all of their
Sounds
stuff.
like a party in here.
Turn the place upside down.
Search cabinets.
Grab
Let's
as
take
many
everything.
supplies as you can. We need the essentials: food, medicine, whiskey.
And whiskey. Yeah, we need all that.
I'm starving.
You should eat something now. Get your
Take
strength
everything.
up.
Dang, I'm all about to die. Look at my health. Okay, let me eat first. Baked beans, canned peaches. Canned peaches sounds way better. Nice. Oh yeah, take all that stuff.
O'Driscoll's. I don't believe it.
It's a
Respect?
strange one, all
What's
right.
this?
Maybe they're
Oh,
hiding up here
blood.
too.
Alright, whatever.
Big old pool of blood on the floor here.
What's on this
saw.
table? Anything I can
Probably
take
the poor
from here?
bastard who lived here. Micah
Oh, nice.
found a dead body in the wagon outside. There's a big price on Colm O'Driscoll's head. Nearly as big as the one on yours.
One
What's this?
home dead is about the only thing me and Uncle Sam agree on.
Okay, well,
Looks
putting
like
that
the
back.
poor bastard was married too. At some point.
If we can't eat it or drink it, put it down.
Okay. And another chest. This looks like I want to search this.
Place is dry, and warm.
God damn it.
We could maybe move the women and Jack down here.
Maybe. We'll see how they are when we get back. I don't really want us to split up.
Alright, let's check this cabinet here.
You keep looking.
Oh, health cure. That'll come in handy later.
Meet me
Nice.
out here when you're done.
I'm gonna search this thing. Oh, coin purse. That's money. I got like 90. That's, bruh. That's nothing. Check up here real quick. Let's take some of that. That's ammo, right? Yeah. Okay, I'm out of here. Alright, Dutch. I'm coming to you now. Alright, so what's the plan now?
Arthur, keep looking for stuff.
What do you mean? I just looked
Arthur,
in there.
go see if there's anything in that barn.
Alright.
Micah, you search the cabin. See what we
Got you.
Sure.
Dang, there's a lot of snow here. Barge it open. Oh. View your current objective again. Oh, that's down. Oh, okay. Interesting. Oh, Jesus. Some guy tried to jump me. Get the gun. Come on, just pick up the gun. Oh, I'm fighting this guy now? Alright, cool. Yeah, take that. Take that. Oh, well, Dutch is there.
Now this guy just jumped me.
Oh,
Nice.
did he now?
This guy doesn't even stand a chance. What is he even
Sneaky little
doing?
bastard. Should I kill him?
No. Not
Interrogate. Not
yet.
yet.
Find out what they're doing here and where Colm is.
Oh,
Jeez.
this son of a bitch will talk.
Beat.
Where's Colm O'Driscoll?
With the others. At an old mining camp southwest of here. Near the lake.
Oh,
What are you
Jesus.
bastards doing? Why are you up here?
We're fixing to rob some train. Gonna blow the tracks. I don't know more than that, I swear.
Okay, interesting,
Well, I
interesting.
would say it looks like you have this, Arthur. Do what you want with him. I don't care. But bring that horse when you're done.
Should I kill him or let him live?
I don't know anything else.
Damn.
Please. Please, spare me.
Okay, you know
I
what?
promise.
I'll spare him.
Get the hell out of here. Go.
And then shoot him while he runs! No, I'm just kidding. I can't even get my gun out. Yeah, he's probably gonna die out there anyways. Oh, my gun's on the floor, that's why I couldn't get it. Oh, and my hat. He's probably all freaked out because of the fist fight that just happened.
Easy.
Pat,
It's
pat.
okay. Yeah, that's it, boy.
Alright, we're going back to Dutch. Wait, why didn't we take this horse?
So all the little bastards scurrying off.
Yeah. Figured he won't get far in this anyway.
Yeah, it's exactly what I
Looks
was
like
thinking.
a decent horse. You should keep him. Tie him up over there, Arthur.
I'm up right here. Okay. Oh snap! What's going on?
What the hell do you think you're doing?
Whoa, look, I found in a cellar. Why
There's a cellar?
Leave her alone.
I wasn't doing nothing. She's one of them O'Driscolls.
No, she ain't, Michael. Look at her. Miss, are you...
What the hell is he doing?
Miss, now, it is gonna be okay. We mean you no harm. Miss. Come on. It'll be okay.
What an
We need to get
idiot!
out
Burned
of
the
here.
whole damn place
Quick.
down, bruh.
Come on now.
You gotta be kidding me.
Oh. You
They
okay,
just
miss?
burnt down the actual house. Like, come on,
3
man.
days ago, and my husband,
Okay. Miss, you are safe now. And you can't stay here.
Well, clearly not.
You come with us. Arthur.
Miss, it's okay. We're bad men. We ain't them. It's okay. Get on. We'll keep you safe until you figure out what you want to do.
What's your name, miss? Miss.
Adler,
Adler.
Sadie Adler, Mrs. He was my husband.
Damn, that sucks. They killed their husband, man. Damn, what an idiot, man. That whole place, man, that was a perfectly good home. We could have all moved in there. It would have been perfect. Instead of that rundown cabin.
Hey! Somebody's coming! Looks like it's Dutch.
What the heck? He's
Hey,
just pointing his gun straight at him.
How'd you get on?
Micah found a homestead, but he weren't the first.
Yeah, and he burnt it
Colm
down.
O'Driscoll and his scum, they beat us to it. We found some of them there, but there is more about, apparently. Scouting the train. Thank you.
That's the last thing we need right now, Dutch.
Well, it is what it is. But we found some supplies, some blankets, a little bit of food, and this poor soul, Mrs. Adler, Miss Tilly, Miss Karen, would you warm her up? Give her a drink or something? And Mrs. Adler, it's gonna be okay. You're safe now. They turned her into a widow. Animals. I need some rest. I haven't slept in 3 days.
Damn, how you been able
You're
to do
over
that for
here.
3 days?
Miss O'Shea will show you the way. Mr. Morgan, we put you in a room over here.
Thank you, Miss Grimshaw.
Mr. Bell, you're with the fellas over there.
What? How come Arthur gets a room and I get a bunk bed next to Bill Williamson and a bunch of darkies?
Get yourself to bed.
Damn, it's because Arthur's badass like that, that's why. What was this? Yes, save.
He ain't been seen in days. Weather ain't let up.
He's strong, and he's smart.
Strong, at least. Hello, Arthur.
Abigail?
Arthur, how you doing?
Just fine, Abigail. And you?
I need you to... I'm sorry to ask, but...
It's little John. He's got himself caught into a scrape
He
again.
ain't been seen in two days.
Your John will be
Dang, he hasn't been seen in 2 days, man.
I
How's
mean-
he been alive out there?
He may be as dumb as rocks and as dull as rusted iron, but that ain't changing because he got caught in some snowstorm.
Please go take a look. Javier?
Yes.
Javier, will you ride out with Arthur to take a look for John? You're the two best fit men we've got.
Now?
She's We're pretty worried about him.
I know. If the situation were reversed, he'd look for me.
Thank you.
I guess we gotta go find John
This way.
Marston now.
Last I know, John was headed up the river.
Oh man, it looks nice in the daytime.
He kept riding north.
You can
and
barely
never
see
looked
anything because
back.
of all the
He
snow.
wouldn't leave.
But
Not like that.
I do like the daytime in this
Wouldn't
game.
be the first time.
No, I've never played the first game, the Red Dead Redemption 1, but I do know what happens in that game. I just never played it. I want
Hey, I
to.
see some smoke.
I know
Come
it's.
on, let's
They,
take
I
a
think
look.
they have
Let's
the.
hope it ain't more of
I
O'Driscoll's
think it gets on like the Xbox store or something. Who knows?
Seems somebody left.
And I never ever played Red Dead Revolver. I don't know if I ever will.
And that way.
Sure, well, come on then.
All right, let's go. Where are we going?
There's some tracks leading to the river. Adelante. Whoa.
God damn it! Why'd I get off?
Come on.
I can see the tracks here, Arthur.
All right, let's go. Oh, we're gonna make our horses go in this freezing water? That sucks. I would hate to be these horses right now. And then they gotta walk on the snow. How are their feet not, like,
Tell me.
how do they not get frostbite?
These are horse tracks for sure, but
Man, that
could be
must
anywhere.
suck.
Let's just see where they lead.
So, you were there.
Dang, can't even
out
see
here.
nothing. Where am I going?
What really happened on that boat?
We had the money, it seemed fine. And suddenly they were everywhere.
Can't even see like 2 feet in front of me.
No, Pinkertons. It was crazy. Raining bullets.
All right, let's go. Come on, let's go faster.
Take it slow. Big ravine here.
Oh snap! Damn, you weren't kidding. That thing's
Dutch
huge.
Killed a girl in a bad way. But it was a bad situation.
That ain't like him, though.
Watch out.
Tracks go left. Down here.
So they loop around. So what you're saying is that I should jump. Oh
Mac and
damn!
John, both shot too. Sean, we don't even know.
Come
I'm
on, go
surprised we
faster.
escaped
I hate it
at
when he
all.
goes slow.
By the time you boys showed up from the other side of town, we were only just holding on.
Cinematic mode? I don't really like the cinematic
Business,
mode.
all right.
Whoa!
Damn snow's coming in hard again.
Hell
We'll
yeah,
lose
it
these
is.
tracks if we don't move fast.
Alright, let's go. Damn, we're high up.
Careful, it's getting narrow here.
Oh jeez. Don't wanna fall. Alright, let's go.
Come on, boy. Horses are getting tired.
Yeah, a lot of fresh snow here.
I don't know about this, Javier. I mean, we can't follow nothing.
Let's push on a little bit. Maybe we'll pick up the trail again.
You sure about that?
Come on now.
Hey, look! Over there! You see that?
Where? What are you talking about? No? What are you looking at? Oh, this thing.
John was riding that horse when we left Blackwater. Let's
Damn.
see if he can hear us.
Oh, don't go down there. Sounds like he's coming from over
Come
here.
on!
Man, that
Up there.
thing, that's disgusting. That thing's dead.
Yeah!
Oh, hey, watch it.
Hey! Hey! Why are you riding all over the place? It's coming from up ahead somewhere. I grabbed that shotgun from your horse. Who knows what's up ahead?
I have a shotgun? What? Oh, come on, man. Walk faster, at least. Hells yeah, I'll take the shotgun.
Down this way.
Hell yeah, let's go. Damn, the horse just took a shit. This is very steep. You sure about this?
It's slippery, be careful.
Obviously, look how steep it is. We should be sliding down here. Now you're wearing, well, I guess it's like what, $18.99? So they don't even have proper like equipment, like snow boots or something. I don't know. Maybe they did. Maybe they didn't.
Careful. There's a drop here.
You sure about this?
Over here!
Sounds like he's in the wall.
It's coming from this way.
Okay.
Watch out here. Watch your head here.
This is ridiculous. Why did he even come this way? Where did he think he'd end up?
Watch your step. This is real slippery.
Stay close to the wall. Up this way.
Alright, climb. No, that's not how you do it. There you go.
That sounds closer now. Come on. We're coming, John!
Alright, let's go. Oh, okay. We're good. No, you don't want to jump for me? Okay, there we go. Nice.
Damn, it's cold.
Oh wait, I think he does have some shit on his boots. Or like something to keep him... I see like something at the bottom of his boots.
How you doing?
I think he does have like snow boots on.
Been a tough few days.
I know. Here. Take a drink of that.
Thanks.
I'm not designed for this snow. Let's keep moving then. Come on. John, where are you?
John, you there?
I can call to John.
Marston!
Over here! Out on the ledge! That's John! We're
And he's like right over here.
Fellas there! Down here!
All right! Hot down, Marston!
He's down here.
Nice, we found him.
That's quite a scratch you got there.
Damn.
Never thought I'd say this, but it's good to see you, Arthur Morgan.
You don't look so good.
I don't feel too good neither. I'm freezing.
Don't die just yet, cowboy.
Come on, compadre. Well, can't go back the way we
Oh,
came.
I have to control the walking? Okay.
Let's try this way.
Ain't you a sorry sight?
Can't argue with you there.
See? I told Dutch you weren't the right man for this.
I'm sure you did.
You all right?
Where am I going?
Come on.
Okay.
Hopefully this will lead us out.
That was a cool shot. Oh, I'm still controlling the walking. Right?
You see that
Yeah,
on
yeah.
the ridge?
Oh, snap. Don't worry, I got this. I got my shotgun.
You get to the horses. Go. Draw them off.
Yeah, let's go. Let's kill some dogs.
Okay, here we go,
Yeah. Where are they
John.
at?
Lead them to Arthur.
Oh, nice, nice, nice. Come at me! Come at me! Do I have a Deadeye yet? Oh, snap. Oh, shit.
Hey, back off.
No! Hey! You will not get me. Oh shit, one's coming. Oh, I'm gonna die. Get over me. Run! Run away! Run away! Nice, gotcha. That's what you get. Can I like pick them up or something? No. Okay, whatever. Let's do it. Oh, that's not my horse. This is my horse. Alright, let's get out of here.
Come on then. Let's get back to the others.
Let's go. Let's get out of here. Now we can run. Heck yeah, finally. Go all slow.
It's just like a dog fight.
Knew a fella?
Oh,
Got
Jesus.
bit by a dog. Died. An hour later.
You ain't gonna die. Not yet.
Yeah, you gotta live to the end of the first game.
Up there? More of them.
I got you. Damn, you shit. Ah.
Get up! Shit, there's more on the right. We got more
I got
wolves
these
on the
guys.
left. Get the hell out of here.
Get the hell out of here. That's right, you got nothing on me.
You see any more, Arthur?
Don't think so.
Jesus.
You still with us, Marston?
Just about.
You're gonna be okay. We have some shelter now.
Thanks for coming for me.
Of course. That bullet in Blackwater, now this. You had a hell of a time.
And Arthur always says, I'm lucky.
None of us are lucky right now. Should ride in the water for a bit. Try to lose the scent. Don't want to leave a trail right back to camp.
You know,
Yeah.
we're gonna need to come up
Good
with
idea.
a better story for that scar.
Damn, but why you gotta put the horses through that though? That sucks though. Like, come on, man. This freezing ass water.
Death ain't good enough for you.
Here, let's cross to the left.
Yeah, come on. Let's push
Yeah,
hard
let's
and get
run.
back.
Let's go. Let's run.
See those
I'm trying
buildings
to
up
run.
ahead, John?
Buildings, where?
That's where we camped.
Oh.
Nearly there. Come on! Someone help John down off this horse.
Can we get some help here? Can we get some... We need some help here!
Come on, help him down.
You're alive! You're alive!
Here we go. There we go. Ay, careful, idiotas! It's his leg.
Come on, let's get you warm. Thank you both.
Damn.
This is a new low, even by your standards.
Thank you, Arthur. Thank
You
you.
got any other lost maidens need saving?
Not today.
Have you and Dutch talked about how we're gonna get out of this?
I was just discussing with Herr Strauss when the weather breaks. Suppose we'll have to keep heading east.
East? Into all that... That's civilization.
I know. The west is where our problems are worse. Come on, Herr Strauss. Let's get warm.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan.
Oh snap, civilization.
We have been running for weeks. We found shelter and been resting here in some old abandoned mining town while we wait the thaw. Hardly the spring I had been hoping for.
Nice.
We get strong. We get
Well,
warm.
you know what? I think this is a great place to end this video. Yeah, you know, we did like the first couple of missions, I guess. What is it that we did this episode? We burnt down a house. We saved John, killed some wolves, and yeah, saved a person. Sadie Adler, I think was her name. But yeah, Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I certainly had fun doing this. This was cool, and I hope to do a series on it. But I don't want to say I can't make any promises, because I really do, but we'll see what ends up happening. If you guys do want a series on this, just let me know. Yeah, so please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. And I want to give a quick shout out to a channel called Dream Machine. I'll leave a link to Dream Machine in the description down below. It's a pretty cool channel, check it out. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.